I'm Ed McCrory, host of Ed's Cooking. Today we're going to feature a vegetarian meal consisting of a gumbo soup, a spring lettuce salad, and strawberry shortcake. Our many ingredients today are olive oil, oregano, fresh chopped parsley, tomato paste, garlic cloves, bay leaves, stewed tomatoes, frozen peas, quick brown rice, okra, red beans, tomato juice, bell green pepper, onions, and celery. And I'm going to chop up the vegetables and start them in the pot. I'm going to put some olive oil in the pot and turn it on to medium. When I was a little boy, 12 years old, I was watching my mother make biscuits. And I said, "Mother, I'd like to do that." She said, "Okay," and she showed me how. And from that, I developed an interest in cooking and have cooked pretty much all my life. My wife's a gourmet cook, but I still cook a lot, and most of all my stuff is low cholesterol, low fat. Now that's simmered for 3 minutes. Now we're going to put the rest of the ingredients in. Oregano, fresh parsley, tomato paste, 2 cloves of garlic, two cans of tomatoes. I don't know if you remember that tomato in ancient times was a forbidden fruit. And the reason for that was that most of the cooking utensils were lead. And when you put tomatoes in it, the acidity created a sickness, and so people said that tomatoes were poison. And then when we went to different kind of utensils, why tomatoes became very popular. Today is one of the more popular fruits. Okra, which is a thickening agent. This has to cook for 15 minutes. And then we put in a quick brown rice and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve. When we come back, I'm going to make a spring lettuce salad and dessert. This is a spring mix lettuce, and I use both vegetables and tomatoes, and Honeycrisp apple slices, cherry tomatoes, white grapes, and avocado. The salad dressing is wine vinegar with stevia sugar substitute, which comes from Central and South America. This is a spring mix, and when we come back, we'll make a dessert of strawberry shortcake. Now I'm making strawberry shortcake, and I've made the shortcake with low-fat milk using stevia as a sweetener. And there's the strawberry shortcake. Now I'm going to gather the ingredients for the vegetarian meal and show you how it looks when you sit down to eat it. There's a vegetarian gumbo, spring lettuce salad, and strawberry shortcake. And that's it today, folks. Thank you.